Okay, here's a short video on how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online. So once you're logged in and on your dashboard, you're going to go up to the New button, and then you're going to select Estimate. Select your customer. I will select me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting. It's going to pop in all of my information. You can put in an expiration date for the estimate. So if you want them to accept in a certain amount of time, you can say let's, within a week or so. So let's make it expire October 16th. Service date, we think we're going to do this job on Monday, so it's going to be some concrete, some hours, labor, 5 hours at $25 an hour, and then let's say we're going to start a weekly gardening service. So here's the estimate. It includes estimated taxes as well, and that's going to populate based on either your location or the customer's. You got to make sure you set this up correctly. You can enter in a discount amount if you want, and then any shipping that you need to charge, you can enter that as well. If you need to add an attachment, you can go ahead and add one there. But if you're all set, you hit Save and Send, and what's going to happen is it's going to pull up a preview. So on the right-hand side, you'll see the estimate, which will be attached to the email for the customer. Subject line, you can edit right here. Please review the estimate. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. So we'll say send and close. So that'll send it off to the customer. From there, the customer is going to get the email, and they're going to have the option from the email to either accept or deny the estimate. So for you to monitor that, what you're going to do is go to your sales and then all sales. And you can see estimate. Once they've accepted it, it should update this status for you. If it doesn't, you can update it automatically. So you can say it's accepted by Casey Moss, and it was accepted the day of. So now it's showing as accepted. And the next step would be to create an invoice. So let's say they accepted the estimate, you went ahead and did the work. Now it's time to invoice the customer. So you're going to hit Create Invoice. And it's really nice because what it's going to do is populate all of the information from the estimate for you automatically. And if you need to add something, a lot of times you do an estimate and then turns out you needed a couple more hours. So we're going to add 2 more hours at $25 an hour. It's going to increase the amount for us automatically. And then let's say maybe we agree on a 10% discount or something like that. Attachments, again, you can update your message on the invoice. When you're all set, hit Save and Send. And you're going to get the preview for the invoice just like you would sending a normal invoice. So that's kind of the workflow from going to from estimate to invoice. If you have any more specific questions on how to work this with your company, feel free to contact me. Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC in Illinois. Website is www.caseymosstax.com.